Good day, everyone.
Good
welcome.
day.
Good day. Welcome to day 14
yeah.
of our Advent calendar unboxings. And we will start with Revolution Makeups, day 14, which is right here. My eyes are like worse than normal without my glasses.
It's the only thing left. What do you mean? How could I miss that?
What do you mean?
It's the only thing left in that page.
Oh. Well, it looks like maybe another highlighter. Oh, I poked it. Oh, I jabbed it. Oh,
That's
I
okay.
jabbed it.
It's a rubbing type product.
I jabbed it.
Right?
Look at that. Look what I did. I jabbed it.
That looks like, that's like
Oh, it looks like I could like put it back.
duochromatic.
I'm wearing the duochromatic.
No, it looks duochromatic, this stuff.
I know, but I'm wearing the I was telling people.
Oh.
So this is a strobe balm in the shade Flip. I don't know what a strobe balm is.
I don't know, put it on your hand and move it around the light. Now move it around the light. Your hand's
Oh yeah, it's like the same thing.
It's duochromatic.
It is. You're correct. So that's two duochromats. Duochromats? That is really pretty though.
It's almost the same as
Yeah, it
this.
is.
Yeah.
This is really creamy.
That one's creamier?
This one's creamier than the other one we got from NYX. Was a powder. But look, I don't know if you can see that. But see, it's like pinks, pink and pink. Ah, why not? I should add some of that.
I think it's probably moisturizing too, eh? That stuff.
Well, anything that's creamy is probably better for your skin than anything that's powdery, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, also, cheers.
Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday.
We're alcoholics.
We are enjoying the festive season and the festive spirits that come with it, Jason. Don't use that dirty word. Up next is the Love Lust Disco box by NYX. Day 14 is right here. It's a longer box, which means probably an eyeliner.
Oh yeah, or one of those pencil. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Looks like an eyeliner. Maybe it's not an eyeliner.
It's one of those robust lipstick things.
A robust lipstick thing.
Yeah.
It is a lip liner. So it is a matte lip liner in the shade, again with the STFU. Where did we get those STFU? That was a lip color, right? That was like the first day of NYX. Remember because it was so festive.
It might have been the first day that I was part of your videos because I remember thinking, man, that's a dumb name.
Oh, I can hardly remember a video that you weren't in, my honey.
Oh.
I enjoy having you with me. Mostly because it helps with my anxiety.
Oh.
Isn't anxiety fun? Especially social. Oh my goodness. It's impossible. Okay, so we have got a very purple.
So it's a
lip liner.
pencil though.
Yeah, so it will go with that lipstick that we got.
Okay. Doesn't even.
Nope, it does not even.
Oh, you got to be like really rough on it. Okay.
So that is the color of the lip.
So you would put the lipstick on and then go around your lips.
No,
on
you
the
line
outside.
your lips first.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna see if I can find that lipstick. One moment, please. Okay, I found the STFU lipstick we got from NYX early on in the Advent calendar, and so.
Do you remember what day that was? Just like.
I think it was day.
Like if that stuff's supposed to go together,
like
it probably
day
should have
one,
been closer
right?
together. I don't know. Yeah.
So that is the lip liner, and then we'll swatch.
Oh, it's a little bit lighter.
Yeah, well, you don't want it to be darker, because remember, I've said that before. I hate when people wear darker lip liner than their lipstick.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of nice. Yeah.
But what do I know?
So you put that on to like trace your lips,
yes.
And then you fill it in with the
especially
lipstick.
when you get older, as I am. Your lipstick tends to bleed through your fine lines.
Okay.
So a liner helps.
That block. It's like makes it
like
damp.
a blocker.
Okay.
Up last is our Glossybox. My sister's opened hers today, and she said she really liked what was inside. I was really not impressed yesterday, Glossybox.
You got to do this earlier then.
2 milliliter
Okay, don't show your rage.
I Googled it. And a travel size of that mascara is 4 milliliters. So they gave us something smaller than a travel size. And that's really cheap.
Yeah, but look what you got in the box, though. It's not, the box isn't cheap. The box is nice.
I want full-size, high-quality items. Okay? It's a fine quality item is what I'm looking for.
14.
Day 14 is at the bottom here.
So we got a box.
It's another little box.
Oh, you're going to get a 2 milliliter something.
Oh.
No.
Don't want to enrage me, right?
Yeah.
Because they're so scary. So here's day 14. It's quite heavy. It's a hefty little box. And what have we got? I don't know. A little pot of something.
What is that?
It's a very heavy glass pot. This is a cream eyeshadow from whatever brand this is.
Cream eyeshadow. It kind of looks like the Zones logo.
Mina? It does. It does. Dazzin, you mean?
This...
So this is in 313, a long-lasting eyeshadow for... It cut me off. I don't know what I was saying, but it's a long-lasting eyeshadow color. For intense magnetic color. It's waterproof and cruelty-free. Oh, wow.
What's cruelty-free? Like they don't have slaves?
They don't test on animals.
Oh, okay.
That is a beautiful gold, isn't that?
That's for your eyelids.
Yes, that's why it's an eyeshadow. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. That's very
That's really
festive.
dark.
Isn't that really pretty?
It's dark.
Yes, let's put a little bit on.
Oh.
Dark is good.
Well, your lipstick is dark. Maybe. I don't know.
Yes, this was the NYX
It's kind of
that
metallic
we got the other day. Oh, yeah. I'm
You're
so
putting it
bad.
on with your finger like a savage.
You would have to probably apply it with your
Well,
finger.
you need to get further in, like over here, like get the.
Yeah, okay, babe.
All right.
Don't be so. Don't be
Just
so.
trying to be helpful. Just trying to show you the way,
You're a dirty
my
man.
son.
Not a boy.
Right.
It's weird to call your wife your son.
Okay. Oh, it's nice.
Oh, well, thank you. Let's see if we can see what it looks like.
It looks better
Golden.
when your eyes are open. When you close your eyes, then it's like only half your eyelids covered or whatever. It does a nice job of showing your eyes.
Well, thanks. I do have nice eyes.
That's what I say.
Oh, it didn't. My camera's being really weird today. Just keep stopping and starting. Look how bright that is. That is some nice colors we've received today. I'm much happier today than I was yesterday. Jason, tell me all about this lovely cream eyeshadow. It says the cream eyeshadow.
That's 14, right? The
Yeah.
cream eyeshadow 313 from, I don't know how to say the name. I guess Zena or Thrina. I don't know.
I don't know if it's Mina. It might be Mina.
Okay, Mina maybe. With an extra bit of dazzle, you can bring your own magic with this creamy eyeshadow in one of our favorite Christmas colors, gold. You even said that. And the price? Guess?
Okay, I guess. I've never tried this brand, bought anything, know how much it costs. I'm going to go with $18.
Close. $14.
Oh,
So.
that's not so bad.
I like it. I like it, yeah. I like the way it makes your eyes look. But you have green eyes, so maybe the color of it is
Maybe.
bringing them out or something. I don't
How
know.
many big is this? Does it say how many, how much we get?
The quantity? Doesn't say here.
Doesn't say. So, yeah. I like the color a lot. Just trying to see, there's a little label, see if it says how. 2.5 milliliters or 0.08 fluid ounces. So, Jason, you get more of this eyeshadow than you did of that mascara yesterday.
Yeah.
All right, favorite time. I like all of the things today because this was a good day. I'm going to go with this beautiful eyeshadow just because it's very festive. And I really like this cream. What is it called? Strobe Balm.
It's a duochromatic.
It is. It doesn't say it is, but it definitely is. And then the lip liner that goes with the lipstick we received earlier. So that would be the order.
Although I would think that those two products should have been received closer together. And if that one's supposed to go on first, the lipstick should have been second.
That's a very good point, honey.
Okay.
That's a very good. NYX, are you listening? This guy over here could be like part of your marketing group.
Yeah, right.
So we're gonna go eyeshadow, balm, lip liner. Those would be my favorites today. I liked this day. Yeah. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you are all having a lovely weekend. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, it would mean so very much to me and my hot husband. And well, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.